Here at the Wix editor, you want to look to your left side of your screen and then tap on this pages and menu. And then right here at the side menu, you want to click on add page. On add page right here, you want to click right here on the block section. Just click on it on the block and then tap on add Wix block. You want to wait for a bit until Wix adding the block page to your website. And there you go. Right now, you have a brand new blog page on your website. And then to manage the post, to add or remove the post, you can just click on the blog section right here. And then you want to click on manage posts, which will open up to your Wix dashboard. Here at the post section, you can remove and then add a brand new post on your blog. So for example, here, this 4 posts is made by Wix. And then you can remove it by clicking right here on these 3 dots. And then click on move to trash. Click again on move to trash. And there you go. And then if you accidentally delete the wrong post, you can go to trash right here. And then you want to hover over the post that you want to restore. And then click right here on restore. So right now the post is back to the draft section. And then you can publish it later. To publish it, you can just click right here on these 3 dots. And then click on publish post. Here at the draft post, nobody can see your post except you when you're editing your post. And then to add a new post, just click right here on create a new post at the top right of your screen. And then here, you can start to customize your post by adding the title and then start to writing on your post. After you've done, you can just click on publish right here at the top right of your screen. And there you go. And then to access the blog page right here, the first way is you want to go right here on the top left of your screen on page under the Wix logo. Just click on page. And then here at the side pages, you can just choose any pages that you want to visit. So if you want to go to your blog page, just click right here on blog page and then click on the blog. Or the second way to do it, you can go again to your left side of your screen and then click on pages and menu. And then you want to go to side menu and then choose on blog to visit your blog page. And there you go. If I click on preview so you can see it better right here at the top right of my screen. As you can see, the blog page is automatically added to your navigation menu on your header. And then if you don't find the blog page right here on navigation menu at the header, you can go back to editor. And then you want to click right here on pages and menu. And then go to side menu. And the chances are that specific page is being hiding from your navigation menu. You can just spot it when you see this eye icon right here on get started or the home page. So to show the page that was hidden, you can just click on the 3 dots and then click right here on show in menu. And as you can see, the home was added automatically. And that's how to add and access a blog page on Wix. If you do have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.